Hello everyone, in this video we will see how a Prant admin can use the user management module. So for that we need to click on user management in this menu. As we can see, we are logged into the system as a Prant admin. So in this user management module, the Prant admin can see the list of all those depositors, Jilla users, Jilla admins and Prant users who are registered under this Prant. So as we have already seen in the video of the country admin, all the functionalities are same as that of the country admin user management module. Like, this user management module will be containing the first name of the user's mobile number, active status, unique ID, bank name, branch name and total funds collected. And again we can perform three actions, that is approve or reject any user, edit their information, reset their password. We can also apply filters like Prant name, Jilla name and status, whether approved or pending. So now let's see how and who are the users that a Prant admin can register. So for that we need to click on the plus sign over here. So now as a Prant admin can create a Jilla admin, depositor and Prant user under him. So now we are going to create a Jilla admin. If a Prant admin has to create a Jilla admin, the Jilla admin needs to give all the information like first name, last name, date of birth, address, city, etc. all these information to the Prant admin. So now after getting the details from the Jilla admin, the Prant admin will have to create the Jilla admin. So now we will enter some basic information like the first name, date of birth. We are entering only the mandatory fields over here. All the fields which have the star mark are the mandatory fields and we need to fill all these details. So address, city, mobile number, email address, and here we need to select the Prant. By default the Prant will be the Prant to which this Prant admin belongs. The Prant of the Jilla admin will be the same as that of the Prant admin. Now we need to select the Jilla. And lastly we need to enter the count of number of booklets of the coupons and receipts, like number of booklets of 10 rupees coupon, number of booklets of 100 rupees coupon, number of booklets of 1000 rupees coupon and number of receipts. And lastly we need to click on the add button over here. When we will click on add button, we can see the message, you are successfully registered and your unique ID is this. Kindly wait for the approval from admin. Like we have seen at the time of Prant admin creation, that for any Prant, if there already exists any Prant admin that has been already approved, then we cannot create any other Prant admin. In the same manner, if for any Jilla, a Jilla admin already exists, already is approved, then we cannot create any other Jilla admin. It will give us the error that Jilla admin already exists. So after creating the Jilla admin, we will go to this Jilla, and when we will click on approve, one SMS will be sent to this registered mobile of the Jilla admin, which will be including the unique ID of the Jilla admin as well as the password, with the help of which this Jilla admin can log into the system. So this is all about the creation of Jilla admin. Thank you.